I've done a lot of stuff in my lifetime that I'm not proud of. I've hurt a lot of people, and I've been hurt by a lot of people. And some of the hurt that has happened to me, I've done to other people. And so I'm about to do a primal scream, not just for myself, but for the people I hurt, and for the people I've never met that they hurt. Ah! 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 What's up, y'all? I'm Preston Smiles, co-founder of Conscious Man Brotherhood, founder of Man Cave, and I couldn't be more excited to introduce to you Unleash the Beast, a 2-day dojo training workout workshop designed to have you get on the other side of everything that is holding you back from being the greatest version of yourself. You see, if you want something you've never had, you gotta do something you've never done. And most of us have been sitting on the sidelines, talking about, getting ready to get ready, overthinking, overanalyzing, overplanning our lives while everybody else is in the game. We have a bunch of guys who are V12 engines acting like 4 cylinders. We got a bunch of guys who are afraid to rev the engine and see what's under there. Most of us grew up in such a way where we've squelched and held ourselves down in such a way that we become addicted to porn and alcohol and the internet and all these other things. And it's time for us, all of us together, iron sharpens iron, to come together and unleash the beast, to be bigger than your fears, to move in such a way that it calls people into your space. And so I'm excited to be introducing a 2-day training, a 2-day workshop, a 2-day journey called Unleash the Beast, where myself and other coaches and facilitators and men from all over the world come into the same space to look under the hood and see what's really there. To look under the hood and allow ourselves to take off our mask and go where we don't usually go. And so this is an invitation for you to step in the room and see what shows up. This is an invitation for you to be bigger than all of the stories and fears and the things that have been holding you back for most of your life. You see, to me, a conscious man is so much more than money, things, and women. A conscious man is an integrated man. A conscious man is a man who knows how to wield his power and becomes a weapon for that which is calling him forward. And so this is our invitation for you to step in and step up. Click the link below if you know that it's time.